Hey, this is Chris Fuller with Pioneer RESA Technology. We're back in TinkerCad today because I want to show you we don't have to just work in 3D modeling in CAD. We also have circuits, so nothing's in there right now. I'm going to hit Create and then Circuit. And so I started looking around, and if I change components to all, I can scroll down and I have some of the most popular microcontrollers here. I've got the microbits and the Arduinos, and so students can drop in different blocks and connect those blocks together to create their own custom program. As they get more advanced, we start seeing what the blocks do as far as the text coding is concerned, and then we can switch to full text coding, and now we're working in Python. So it's going to scale up with your students. It's free. There's unlimited pieces. None of it gets lost. Nothing gets taken apart. There's an undo button if they make a mistake. Check out the microbits and the Arduinos that are included inside of TinkerCad.